Hello, how do I analyze stocks for swing trading using uptrending swing trading strategy? We have a list of stocks that we are going to analyze, and let's get started. So the first one is AJG. First, we are going to make sure we are on a daily chart, and this one is maximum daily chart. So let's try to see if 1 year daily chart will work just fine for us. And again, for swing trading, we swing trade on daily chart, and the time frame is 1 year or maximum daily chart, like 1 year daily chart or maximum daily chart. So, and we are using 1 year daily chart. So AJG. So AJG, we would like to buy it on this line. If anything though, we bought it and then it pulled back. Did you see it touched the line we like to buy on, went up and pulled back? And if we see a green, we'll be able to trace the uptrend here, an indication that going down. But I don't know, from where I don't know if I will buy more or not, but here would be the right, is where I would want to buy on this line. And I don't know how often it touched it or not, but again, we bought it here, so we can hold on to that until we sell it. AME. I think that one we bought it as well, but again, if we'll buy it, it's going to be on this line, therefore is nowhere near it yet. If you are wondering what this line signifies, well, it is the support or the uptrending line that we like to enter the trade. And we have our uptrending swing trading strategy. In 2024, we used the short-term version by focusing on short uptrending lines to trade on. And it was a good way to start. We allocate a small dollar amount per trade and set a small profit goal so that we can trade multiple times to practice the strategy. Moving forward, we like to try a long uptrend line strategy. The principle is the same, but we chose the trend line, a longer trend line, as our entry point. And because it can take a while for the price to come to that line, we allocate a higher amount per trade and set a higher profit target, and automatically we will trade less, but we like to give it a try and see how it goes. So those lines that are colored on purple are the trend line, the main trend line that I like to buy those stocks. At least that's the line that I designed so far that will continue to extend. So, and therefore I'm going to just compare where the price is to where we are on the line. Because we trade on a daily chart, that means every single bar, price bar, is a daily price bar. And for some revision, every single price bar is a daily price bar, and the red bar signifies the price went down that day compared to when it opened, which will be at the top of the rectangle, to when it closed, which will be the price at the bottom of the rectangle. And the stick at the top of the rectangle is how high it went up that day, and the stick at the bottom of the rectangle is how low it went that day. And a green rectangle means the price went up that day. It opened at the price corresponding to the bottom of the rectangle and closed at the price corresponding to the top width of the rectangle. Okay. So, and because we know where we want to buy, we are just going to quickly compare where we are to the where we want to buy. So I'm going to go to the next one, AMP. Okay, AMP, we are going to buy it on this line and it's nowhere near it. APH. APH will be buying on this line and we are nowhere near it. We do have this line that we like to buy on, but I would prefer not to do that and just wait on this. AZO. So AZO, we will buy it on this line. It's not there yet. BKNG. We will be buying it here. It's not there. BRO. BRO. Let's see if we, yeah, I think we bought it. Yeah, the one that highlighted are the one we purchased. So we bought it there, and yeah, still around there. Okay. Cats. So cats, here is where we like to buy. Is move past that short. This is August trend line. It started in August. That trend line ended. The trend line ended when the low is lower than the previous low. So that trend line ended. So it could probably coming down to the line, that to the purple line, but anyway, that the purple line is where we want to buy it. CMJ is now close to the line we like to buy at. And as you can see, it does not really matter to us what the stocks is doing on the market currently. We are just comparing it to where we want to buy. So COR, interestingly, COR is at the line we like to buy on. So now that we have one that is close to the line we like to buy on, first let's make sure we do not, okay, I have it already on the portfolio. So now It has been there for some days now. So I'm going to compare the lows here. So as is here, we have those lows, like the red bars, I like to call them lows. So the pullback, they are the pullbacks, so in some way. So I could easily, let me do here. Do you see here? When I put my mouse here, for instance, do you see the line I'm creating, the horizontal line that I'm creating here? It's touching this low here. It's touching this one. This one is higher. So when I put it here, it's touching that and this one. When I put it here, this one is lower than that. So I do have an uptrend going on there, and I could say that for me it is okay if I want to make a purchase to purchase, because it is at the line that I like to buy. If you like to be more conservative because of the how shall I call it, this long pull back to this line, you'll want it to have, this is so a sharp drop here. I cannot even say a downtrend at all, because a downtrend you'll have lower highs, like it's a pullback non-stop all the way to this line before I start seeing those greens. So otherwise you could, you could wait for that to start going up and surpass, some previous highs for you to feel confident to enter in. It's up to you. You can do that. But with the strategy that I like to try, that is the line I like to buy on. So now that I want to maximum daily chart, I have this line, and then I have this line here, and this one is 1 year, is 1 year trend line. This is a longer one. And those two are where I like to buy. So if it's going to go up from here, I will buy from here. If it's going to continue going down, then I'll wait to buy here. So, but what I like to wait on to make sure it is not going to continue going down will be to have an uptrend line, and I have a confirmation there, but I can wait for another one, a pullback that is higher than the previous one or so, to see if it's going to continue going up. But the thing is, with this long drop though, it could linger here for a while before going up. So anything is possible, but we will see if I will buy some or wait to see. With this long trend line strategy though, you have the flexibility to buy or to wait a little longer, because you are trading on a longer trend line. I don't know how to explain it, but it is more flexible. It's not like you are buying and selling it the third day. Okay, where you can when you miss your entry, you wait for the next one, type of thing. So it's not quite that. So let's continue. Let's go back to our 1 year daily chart. You will see we'll be moving between the maximum daily chart and 1 year daily chart. So this is a COR. We can turn it red and see. Let's see here. KC. So KC. Okay, so this is one year trend line. So KC touch it, and we are going to wait for a pullback to see if this line is where is going to end it on, or if it's going to continue going down, for us to trace to see that it's going to be following this trend line. If I can stop moving it. But yeah, to just make sure it's following this trend line. It's not going past it. So let's wait for another pullback to see if it's going to be following this line here. Whether we actually trace a small uptrend line or not, but we'll see. Costco. So Costco, there is it seems to me that is close to this line. So a pullback went up, pullback, but you see those two lows. This one is lower than this one. So you do not have a confirmation that is following this trend line here. It pulled back to it, but we do not have confirmation that is following this trend line. This trend line is an upper trend line. Do you see it? It's down here, it's higher here. It's an up trend line. If I trace this low to connect it to this low, it's going to be a down trend line here. So we want a confirmation of an up trend line before we get in. Otherwise, it could be going down to the next line. Deck. DECK. That is the line you like to buy on. It's nowhere near it yet. EME. So EME, we like to buy on that one or this one. It's not there yet. Fast. We bought fast already. You can just see what it's doing. Okay. FI. FI, we bought it already. Those arrows just shows you where we bought them before. The bottom arrow shows you where we bought it. The top arrow facing down shows you where we sold it. And we bought it last year. FICO. So FICO, this is the line we like to buy on, but we bought it on this line here, and you can see that by buying it there, it continued to go down, so it could be coming to here. Google. So Google, you'll be buying it on this line. It does not mean you cannot enter the do you see here, you have an uptrend here that, like, even the first green bar, you could enter it, and that was the way we were trading during 2024. But I just prefer to buy on a main trend line and wait on it. GWW. This is the line you like to buy on. The price is nowhere near it yet. IT. That one we bought it as well. Okay, we bought it there and it's going down. L.L.Y. We bought it there and it's down somewhere here. MA. We bought it somewhere here. But I don't know, we might be prepared to get out of it though, because I feel like they are pretty much ending those short trend line, going back to the longer one. So MANH. So that's what we like to buy. That's what the price is. The next one is MAR. Nowhere near where we want to buy. MCK. Way to go. MLM. Getting close. MMC. So MMC, excuse me, excuse me. First, let's make sure we don't. Okay, we have not purchased it yet. Excuse me. So let's get closer here. Excuse me. Okay, that was too close. Excuse me. It was just so close. Okay. Wow, there is quite a bit of going up, going on here. So we'll wait for the pullback. When it start going up, we'll have a confirmation that is following this line here. So I'm going to extend that line. Okay, but yeah, I don't know which one is that again. MMC, yeah. Microsoft. We bought it somewhere there. Okay. MSI. We bought that one as well. We bought it somewhere there. NVDA. We bought that one too. Okay. And we bought it on that line, but it came close to this one and seems to be going back up. But yeah. Let's continue. NVR. Did you see how for some of them you can see how even when they are up high they can go back down, like two pullback, multiple pullbacks. They are daily chart. It is a daily chart, so if a single price bar is a daily bar. So for some we saw a drop all the way to the bottom line, and it's just that it's not that they go gradually down necessarily, but they can sharply drop down within days, multiple days. So this one seems to me that this will be the where we'll buy, but we already bought it somewhere here. So we'll hold on to that one until we sell it. Or LY. That is where we will buy. PCAR. We bought it somewhere there. So we have no way to go. PH. So PH, we are nowhere near to buy more, but we already have some too. RPM. So RPM, but we bought some already. So RSG. So RSG, this is the line we like to buy on. Now let's get closer to see what is going on here. Okay, because that one, I was looking at that one when I'm tracing it. So is here is going it went a little bit below it, so we'll see how it's going to continue to do, because we will need the confirmation that is following this trend line, is uptrending here before we do anything, so that we do not buy it too early. SYK. SYK. Okay, so we are nowhere near where we will want to buy it, and I think we already bought some already. TJX, that's where we bought it. TJX. Yeah, nowhere near TMUS, nowhere near the line you like to enter. Okay, far from the line you like to get in. TRY. TRY. Okay, so TRY, first let's make sure we do not have, no, we do not, we have not purchased it. Okay, so we are seeing it. Oh, let me extend this line. Seems to me, let's just go a little bit here. Okay, so I'm not seeing a higher lows yet to see the uptrending here yet, but is at the line. So whether it's going to stay there or move down to this one, we don't know, but I would assume it's going to start going up from there, but we will see. And this one is 1 year trend line. Okay, let's go back to 1 year daily chart. TRV. So TRV is touching it and start going up from there, but I'm not seeing a pullback yet to see if it's going to continue going up from there or not. We need to extend this line as well. URI. No, it's past that line, and we bought some, so that's what we are going to do with it at this point. V. Nowhere near where we will buy. WAB. WAB. We bought it there. Okay. WM. We bought it there. WMT. And here is where we like to buy. WSO. Okay, so we bought it there. And right now it is at the trend line, but I'm not seeing an uptrend here though. This low is higher than this low, so I have a downtrend here. I need an uptrend to make sure it's following this trend line, but we bought it somewhere here anyway. Okay, so that was the initial of the stock watch list from 2024 that will continue in 2025. And to that list we added some more and we'll analyze them. So let's see if we'll be able to. So those, I'm going to be copying them in your space. Okay, it's nowhere near the line we like to buy at. Let's go to the next one. Okay, nowhere near. KR is away from the trend line we like to enter. PJ is nowhere near the line we like to enter. So I think I'm going to, let's just continue. I was thinking about moving to maximum daily chart so that I can see where those trend line touch lows so that I can extend it. So this is far from the line that we like to buy on or enter is down, so we are not even seeing it on the 1 year daily chart. JPM. Okay, let's see maximum daily chart. Okay, so it's nowhere near the line we like to buy. Can just slowly there. Okay, it's nowhere near the line just yet. BX. Is nowhere near the line. I switch to maximum daily chart. BLK is nowhere near the trend line you like to get in. Does not mean that you cannot find an entry point though. Depending on the strategy you are using, you'll be able to trade the multiple times before. You might be able to trade the multiple times before it gets to the spot I want to buy at. Just keep that in mind. My strategy might be different from yours. So again, the trend line I like to buy on, the price is nowhere near it yet. ICE. Is nowhere near it, and the trend line I like to buy on are color in purple. I think that is purple. At least it looks purple to me. I'm not very good with colors. But yeah, it's nowhere near the line for NDAQ. AFL. Nowhere near the line. PGR. Okay, so there is this line and there is this one, and this is pretty much a little bit 1.5 year type of trend line, so it is close to it. Let's extend this line here. And now let's get closer again. So we have this low. Do you see my line here? It is pretty much equal with that low as well. So there is kind of consolidation type of things going on here. If I try to trace, oh, not really. This low is lower than this one. In some way, but yeah. In fact, I had to see the green to make sure. Let me remove it before I can even consider this as a low. I don't know if it's going to continue to have another low or if I'm going to have a green. So I need to see that green bar before I can consider this as the end of this pullback here. Those two pullbacks here, before I can trace it. But yeah, this low at least is higher than this one. But yeah, we just want to make sure this is the trend line that is pulling back to, and it start trending up, and then we can get in close to that line. But at this point, we are not going to do anything. TRV. So this one is a TRV. Okay, TRV, and I think I have TRV up here too. Yeah, TRV is here. Okay, so I can take this one out. Okay, MKL. It's not there yet. You just have to find it if 1 year daily chart works for you or maximum daily chart. I switch easily between the two, and depending on the strategy you are using, you might find one more useful to you than the other. So it's getting close to the line we like to enter, but not quite yet. LII. We have multiple lines designed here, but let's see. And let me see, what is it? This is 1 year too, so more than 1 year, more than 1 year trend line. So, and it's been touching it, it touches constantly, so we will be waiting on it there to see if that is where the stop line is going to be. But for now, it's not quite there yet. CSL. It's nowhere near where we would like to enter. ROL. Okay, it's not close to our entry line yet. PWR. Okay, not close to the trend line yet. DOV. Okay, not close to the trend line yet. ADP. We will be releasing videos on how we analyze the chart to select those stocks to constitute our new stock watch list going into 2025. And for more of our swing trading videos, will please check the description playlist stated swing trading. The links for that is in the description, and the playlist will be at the end of the video on the screen as well. This is nowhere near the entry line yet. J. Nowhere near our trend line yet. ADI. Okay, not near the line yet. MRVL. No, not near our line yet. Is continue to going up for now. CMR. And with this strategy, what the stocks is doing does not quite matter to me unless it is doing a close to the trend line that I like to enter. Is when I pay close attention to the price. But other than that, I'm not really doing anything with it when it's far from it. Therefore, that allows me to quickly analyze the chart. And I can analyze the chart of multiples. That way, when I don't have to close analyze every single one of them. Okay, so did I do the right one? T. Let's try again. Uh-oh. Okay. So, yeah, that one is far from this one as well. Yeah, I won't have to close analyze every single one of them. ECL is nowhere near where we like to buy. CBRE is high for now. EQIX not near the trend line we would like to enter. IRM not near the trend line we would like to enter. Let's see if I can extend this one. Uh-oh. Yeah. SO. Not near the trend line we like to enter. ATO. Not near the trend line yet. So this concludes how I analyze stocks for swing trading using uptrending swing trading strategy. And we have our watch list, and that is just the list of the stocks that I will keep analyzing the chart. And so far COR is the only one that we make red to see what it's going to do today, if we'll buy or not. Thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. We thank you very much for all of your comments, and we thank you very much for watching our videos. Thank you very much, you all that subscribe to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, creator of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel, and in our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways you can save money and different ways you can make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow from there. Thank you.